Hi guys, today we are going to be making a origami lion. The things you'll be needing is a piece of paper, any yellow material, any yellow marker, pencil, old pastel, soft pastel, basically anything that you can color with that is yellow, a Sharpie or any black marker, and some scissors. And the first step is we have to make this a square. And how are we going to make this a square? We're going to take the corner and we're going to put it over here. Now we're going to cut this part of the paper. And if you have some paper left over, don't throw this in the bin, because you could use this to make a bookmark or another piece of origami or basically anything else that you want. So don't waste paper and still use the paper that is left over from any other crafts or drawings. So now we're going to unfold it, and we're going to fold it this way. And now what we're going to do is, I'm going to fold it again. A little crease, we're going to fold it. And now, what we're going to do is, we are going to fold it like this. And then we're going to do it again. And now what we're going to do is, I'm going to fold it this way. And then we're going to flip it over. And I'll fold it, this part, this little triangle, this way. And we got our lion! Well, now we have to color it. So we're just going to color it with our yellow old pastel. You don't have to use an old pastel. I'm just using my old pastels, and the shade is medium yellow. So we're just going to color it. We're going to color our lion with this yellow or pastel. If you want, you can make your line any color you want, depending on your choice. I want to do yellow because lines are, after all, like a little yellowish beige color. So that's why I'm using this yellow color. And if your old pastel ran out, you can peel it a little bit so you can keep coloring. Try to peel a little bit off because I want to keep coloring. I'll just put the shades there for now. And I just want to color this in. It's yellow, obviously. Like I said, you can make it any color you want. Pink, green, blue, orange. Basically any color. Or even maroon. I'm making a line. I have no idea how old it is because it's just an origami. Comment down below what age do you think this lion is? I'm gonna say I want it to be a baby lion. And I love anything that's a baby. It's cute for me. And also make sure you're going in one direction. Otherwise, the origami will not turn out good. If you have like a white or black table, or basically any table, make sure you put like a sheet or a paper underneath so your table or wherever you're sitting does not get dirty. And then it is actually kind of hard to get all pastel off, so yeah. Keep coloring it. This line is going to turn out very cute. As I said, we're making the lion's nose black. And now we're going to make the mouth. I'm just going to put some little freckles. I think a lion will look good with some freckles. That looks cute. Now I'm going to draw his whiskers. Few whiskers won't hurt. Perfect. Now we're going to draw his eyes or her eyes. And I'm going to draw just some little eyes. They're very cute. Now we're going to color this part. As you can see, it's turning a little bit green, but that is okay. We're going to fix that a little bit later. Okay, now we're going to fix it. It's a little bit yellow, so we can fix it. Okay, at least we can fix it, so that's good. We're done with the freckles now. So now we're going to color any white spots that are left. So yeah. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!